Hi, many people have asked this question: how do they apply for Expo 2020 jobs? So, what are the ways that you can apply? Now, we know this is the time lots of jobs are open for 2020 2021, which is going to start in October. So, how do they apply for these jobs? This is the question. The application process is simple. You need to apply through this job portals. There is no possibility of giving the physical CVs like that. So you need to apply two ways. One, direct Expo 2020 website. There they have announced the whatever is the positions open, they have announced. So that is one way of applying. While applying, you need to put which positions you are applying, what is your the keywords you should highlight, because it's all auto generated portal. So you need to make sure that this is all your key points, key skills, everything is highlighted. So that is one way of directly through the website. The second way, there are many other options. Many other recruitment agencies and job portals receive these vacancies. So they also announce either the recruitment agency directly or the recruitment portals like Naukri and Baith, and then these kind of agencies, or they will announce through their online website. So you have to apply through them. So that is the second option how you can apply. So if you do not know which website to go for, just Google it and then type Expo 2020 jobs or Expo 2021 jobs. Then you will see a lot of ads, or maybe direct advertisement also comes up. Like as I said, Indeed.com, or even Naukri Gulf, or even Monster. So many options it will come up. From that, you choose one by one and see which suits your profile, your experience and qualification and education and knowledge and skills. Based on that, you can apply. You can even apply one or two or more positions at the same time. So these are the ways that you can apply. Once you send the application, you need to create the account in that particular site, and then you apply for these positions. Then you will receive, if it has been accepted, you will get the letter of acceptance. From there, then next process will start. So you need to upload all the required documents. That's a simple process. So wherever you are, whichever part of the world, you can apply for these jobs. And this is the only shortcut. There is no physical application. It's not there, no more. It's all digitalized now. So these are the ways that you can apply. It may take little time for you to process the entire required documents. So please start it right now. Don't wait for now. We are already reached to October. So this is the time. So you start applying now and wait for a positive result. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions related to this, please write in the comment box and I will try to give you the reply. Thank you for watching.